What is good, y'all? Coming back at it with another video. We are doing an install today on Buffalo. Why Buffalo? There'll be an introduction video later on, but anyways, today we're gonna be doing a tonneau cover on this bitch. So not gonna be an install video. We're just gonna throw this bitch on, show you how it is, and then if you like it, you can get a free truck. If you don't like it, then you can find something else to use. But let's get it. All right, so we got the side plating installed already. It kind of just clamps on to the bottom of the truck and gets held down. Pretty simple. Plastic wrap, vinyl, cheap shit, but it gets the job done. So next step is on to step 4, which is just adding these support beams, and then we'll kind of go from there. All right, almost done here. We got the tonneau cover on. Just gotta tighten her down, and doesn't look bad. I mean, it's kind of stupid that you have the buckles over here, but I didn't pay all that much for it, so can't really complain. This is the proven ground, as you can see there. So we'll tighten her up, get everything looking sharp, and then get a full video on it. We're gonna do a quick experiment here to see if we don't quite honestly trust it. So I'm just gonna give it a good little and hopefully I don't get smacked in the face and this doesn't fly off. All right, so now it should be good. It should be good. We'll take it on the test drive and we'll see, but it ain't going nowhere. Yeah. All right.